Okay students, next we are going to move towards exercise 7.3. In exercise 7.3 we are going to study two important theorems. One is Rolle's theorem and another is Lagrange's mean value theorem. These two theorems we are going to use to derive this sum. Very easy only, but we want to learn the few concepts here. What is the first concept? F of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b. This is a closed interval a and b. F of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b. Next, f of x is differentiable in a comma b. This closed interval, this is open interval a comma b. The third step is f of a is equal to f of b. Then we can say f dash of c is equal to 0. This c should be belongs to a comma b. The answer we going to get, the last answer we going to get, c should be belongs to a comma b only. So this three steps should be satisfied, then only we can use this one. If three conditions, first condition, second condition, third condition, if these three conditions satisfy, then I can use this condition f dash of c is equal to 0. Otherwise, if any one of any one condition is not satisfies, then we can stop. Rolle's theorem does not satisfies. So three conditions satisfied, then only I can able to use this one. Next, Lagrange's mean value theorem. F of x continuous a comma b, f of x differential a comma b. If these two conditions satisfy, then I can use this one. F dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. This c should be belongs to a comma b. Very easy sum only. We don't need to worry for this. If you're going to move on in Rolle's theorem, f dash of c equals 0. F of x continuous a comma b, f of x differential a comma b, f of a is equal to f of b. So this f of x continuous, f of x differentiable, then f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus c. So we can move inside the sum. So first I'm going to solve the first sum. In exercise 7.3, the first sum, first subdivision. First sum. What is the question given here? Explain why Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Why we want to explain why the Rolle's theorem is not applicable for the first subdivision, second subdivision, third subdivision. First I am going to take the first subdivision only. What is first subdivision? First subdivision nothing but f of x is equal to 1 by x. They given the modulus, comma, they given x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. They given the closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Why it is not continuous? Why it is not continuous? Because this is why it is not why the Rolle's theorem is not satisfies. We need to say they itself told why the Rolle's theorem is not satisfies, but we need to say the condition why the Rolle's theorem is not satisfies. We want to take solution. If we are going to take this f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 0, because this minus 1 1, if we are going to take the interval minus 1 to 1, there is one point called 0. If we are going to apply the point 0 here and place 1 by 0, this 1 by 0 I get the infinity value. At infinity we does not know the value of infinity. We does not know the value for infinity. At infinity means if the curve is going, if we're going to plot the curve is suppose if the point infinity comes, we need to break the point. There is no, we can't able to continue the curve, because infinity is undefined value. We can't able to point this undefined value in our graph. So at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, f of x not continuous. So only Rolle's theorem not satisfies. So second subdivision. What second subdivision? F of x is equal to tan x. F of x is equal to tan x. They given the point nothing but x belongs to 0 comma pi. X belongs to 0 comma pi. If we going to check 0 comma pi, in 0 comma pi we can take one of the values nothing but pi by 2. We can take many values, pi by 3, pi by 6, pi by 4. We can take any values, but there is one value is called pi by 2. There is one value called pi by 2. At tan pi by 2, apply here tan pi by 2. What is tan pi by 2? Infinity. Tan pi by 2 is nothing but undefined value. Once again I am getting the undefined value. So solution. So f of x is not continuous. This once again is not continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. So only Rolle's theorem does not satisfy. It's very easy, no? Third subdivision. What is third subdivision given here? Third subdivision given as question is f of x minus 2 log x, where x belongs to 2 comma 7, where x belongs to 2 comma 7. For this one, this is continuous because we can put any point, answer we gets differentiable. We can differentiate this one easily. We can differentiate. We want to check the third one. F of a is equal to f of b, where a is equal to 2, and b is equal to 7. Here a is equal to b equal to, first apply f of 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 log 2, 2 minus 2 log 2. F of 7 is equal to 7 minus 2 log 7. log 2 value is different, log 7 value is different. So if we're going to apply f of 2, this will be different value, this will be different value. So f of 2 is not equal to f of 7. Both will not equal. But what you want to show? We need to show f of a is equal to f of v. But f of a is not equal to f of v. Therefore, Rolle's theorem does not satisfy for this sum. Very easy sum.